How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So listen up. We have to break down Sofi in this one as we're gearing up for another week in the stock market. So we have to go over the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. But first, guys, of course, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Check out the link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100 and you get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, again, use that link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. And by the way, guys, I actually tried raising canes today for the first time. I know it might sound crazy, first time I ever tried it, and man, it was pretty good. I got a little Diet Coke right here. I think I got the 3 tender combo, whatever the heck it was. Not bad, not bad. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it, if you like it. I thought it was pretty good, man. So let's get into it. Sofi on Friday ended up having a 2.4% green day, closed at $16 per share. And earlier in the day, guys, I'm not sure if you saw this, but we dipped down all the way to $14.85. Yes, you heard that right. So we were at $16 pretty much at open, more like $15.85. Close enough to 16, and then we dumped about $1 or about 6% in the first 15 minutes of trading, and then we rebounded, saw a nice V-shaped recovery, and then we pretty much coasted for the rest of the day at $16 per share. You guys see that right here, and as of the aftermarket on Friday, Sofi was right around $15.90, $16 per share. And here on the 5-day, 5-minute, guys, if I get this channel tool out and let me draw it out, you guys can see we're still kind of trading in this little downwards channel. We've been selling off a bit. We hit 1660 about a week ago. Obviously, now we just hit 1485 as of Friday, so we got that lower low, hit the bottom of the channel, then we actually rallied to the top of the channel the same day, you guys see here. So we're still trading in here. We'll see what direction we end up picking. You know, do we break $16.15 into the mid-16s again? That'd be a breakout spot. Or does this dump back down low 15s, maybe high 14s again? We shall see, guys. But that's kind of what I'm seeing here on the 5-day, 5-minute. So for this week, it's very important to see what direction we pick. And right now, we are at the top of the channel here, so I might as well set my alert at $16.10. Let me do that now. Mark is at or above. There we go, $16.10. We'll see where we go there. So that's the 5-day, 5-minute, 30-minute chart. You guys see that head and shoulders? I mean, look, we called it out a couple of videos ago, a couple of updates ago, and somebody said they don't see it. Well, now fast forward a couple of days, we can see it. We can definitely see it a lot better. You guys see that left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder's right here, which the head and shoulders, it's still intact as of right now, guys, so keep that in mind, which goes back to $16.10, 16 in general. This level, we got to really get a push over it, preferably into the mid-high 16s. That'd be ideal, right? But for now, guys, we're battling at these moving averages at the neckline here on the 30-minute chart. And if I pull up the 1-hour chart, you guys see that head and shoulders even better. And look, man, based on this time frame, let me clear the drawing set. We can see it like this. We also have a bit of a wedge. Do you guys see this right here? Higher lows, lower highs at the same time. And we got buyers on Friday right above the 180 SMA here. That's a good sign. So if we're able to break out of 1610, boom, the wedge, guys, will look pretty good, right? We'll break out of that wedge and probably start going to 1660 again, maybe higher than that. So, Yeah, SoFi looks pretty good heading into this week. We got a bit of a sell-off last week, some, healthy red in the stock. Now let's see if the bulls come roaring into this week. Do we break 16, 16.10? Well, I guess we are over 16 already right now, but are we able to build off the gains from Friday? That's the main question, right? On the 1 day, 1 minute, if we gap above 16.05 on Monday tomorrow, that'd be ideal. Then we start pushing from there, right? So that's a quick rundown here on SoFi. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. And before we look at the indexes here, maybe some other stocks, join the email list. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday, and it's free. Sign up, use that link down below, put your first name and your email address, and boom, again, top 3 stocks every Monday. I'm sending them right to your email. So yeah, indexes right now, they're pretty much all at all-time highs. I mean, SPY, we covered this before in my earlier video where we broke down other stocks to look at when it comes to earnings this week. But I'll show you again. SPY hit an all-time high. QQQ hit an all-time high on Friday. Obviously, we're fully breaking out here, no doubt about it. Arguably a bit overbought on QQQ, to be honest, guys. Maybe even on SPY as well. SPY's not as overbought as QQQ, but still, it kind of is. And the Dow Jones is down as of Friday about 0.25%, but this just hit 45,073 points, all-time high for the Dow. And let's see here. Russell pulling back a little bit off the highs, but still, man, looking good. Very bullish on these charts. So we're heading into this week where I'm looking at the Russell about to bounce potentially, QQQ, SPY hitting all-time highs, the Dow about to bounce on the 4-hour chart as well. We're looking very, very good. And other stocks that I'm looking at that are moving, at least on my watch list as of Friday, we have OKLO up 9% on Friday. This one's battling to get back over these moving averages. Let's see if it's able to officially do that here. I mean, it's been a bit choppy the last couple of weeks here, but if we're able to get direction, I'd say back over 22, 22.50. That's where this could catch fire. Again, OKLO. Let's see. Coinbase looks interesting based off of Friday. It looks like we're breaking out of the bull flag we called out here. So keep your eyes on the momentum here on Coinbase. COIN is the ticker symbol. Amazon, man, this thing keeps on going. I'm so glad I bought this dip. I mean, we nailed this call out. You guys, if you were watching my channel a couple of weeks ago, I was pounding the table on this Amazon dip right here from 215 down to about 195. I bought the dip. We called it out as a trade, and here we are, 225, looking good. Now, I wouldn't necessarily buy it. I'd probably lock in profits if I was in this as a trade. But, man, either way, if it pulls back again, it's going to be interesting. Let's just say that, guys. So what do you all think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We just hit 45,000 subscribers. And guys, next up is 50,000 subs. So make sure to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Check out the link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link again down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you guys. Cheers in the next video.